IELTS essay question. Some people say that it is better to invest money in good equipment in schools, while others say that it is better to invest the money in hiring teachers. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. The debate over whether to invest in school equipment or teacher hiring continues to stir discussions among educators and policymakers. While some argue for the importance of state-of-the-art equipment, others prioritize investing in a qualified teaching workforce. Both perspectives offer valid points, and a balanced approach may be necessary for optimal educational outcomes. On one hand, proponents of investing in school equipment argue that modern technology enhances the learning environment. For instance, interactive whiteboards, computers, and educational software facilitate engaging and interactive lessons. Moreover, well-equipped science laboratories and libraries provide students with hands-on learning experiences and access to a wealth of educational resources. For example, a study by the National Center for Education Statistics found that schools with ample technological resources tended to have higher academic achievement levels. On the other hand, advocates for hiring more teachers emphasize the pivotal role educators play in student development. Lowering the student-teacher ratio allows for more personalized attention and support, catering to diverse learning needs. Additionally, skilled and passionate teachers can inspire students, fostering a love for learning that transcends technology. Research conducted by the Brookings Institution suggests that reducing class sizes can lead to significant improvements in student achievement, particularly for disadvantaged students. In my view, a balanced approach that prioritizes both school equipment and teacher hiring is essential. While technology can enhance learning experiences, it should complement effective teaching practices rather than replace them. Investing in a qualified teaching workforce ensures that students receive the necessary guidance and support to thrive academically and personally. Ultimately, a combination of modern equipment and skilled educators creates an optimal learning environment that prepares students for success in the 21st century. In conclusion, while investing in school equipment and hiring teachers each offer distinct benefits, a balanced approach is essential to ensure comprehensive educational excellence. By leveraging modern technology alongside a qualified teaching workforce, schools can create a dynamic learning environment that maximizes student potential. Ultimately, prioritizing both aspects fosters a holistic educational experience that prepares students for success in an ever-evolving world.